It's true. Synthesia just raised $200 million at a $4 billion valuation in Series E funding from some of the world's biggest companies, which obviously sounds amazing, but what does that mean for you as Synthesia users? The mission here is simple. We want to change how companies train and upskill their workforce. And this funding round is going to help us make our core product even better and more reliable than ever. It's going to help us expand our incredible global team to provide you with even more support. And it also means that there are some mind-blowing new tools coming your way very, very soon that are going to push the boundaries of video as a medium. Seriously. Our last funding round was only 12 months ago, and it enabled us to launch 127 new features in 2025, from interactivity to AI dubbing to fully customizable avatars that can perform any action. But what if they could do even more than just act? What if you could talk to them too? Synthesia is already used by the majority of Fortune 100 companies, and they all tell us the same thing. Our platform has made it much easier for them to create videos directly from text, but when it comes to training and upskilling their workforce, they want systems that they can talk to, not just watch. Which is why in 2026 we are launching Skills, a training video generator that uses video agents that talk, listen, and act in real time, tailored to any situation. And the whole experience just feels like you're having a conversation. So for example, let's say you wanted to create some sales training for your company. Well, the video agent could pretend to be a customer that tracks how well you pitch and how well you solve difficult questions, and it can then coach you on how to do better on the next call. You'll be able to build your own skills courses with video agents directly within that same easy-to-use platform that you've become used to. You can just describe whatever you want your course to be about, hit enter to generate an overview, and the AI will create an entire interactive course using your company's knowledge base. And on the back end, you get access to all of the analytics that tracks the effectiveness of the training. So it's safe to say that we are building the next generation of AI-powered learning technology for business that will take video from something that is passively watched to a fully interactive experience. And to do that, we're going to need some help, which is why Synthesia is hiring across the board in engineering, marketing, sales, and more. I actually only joined Synthesia in the last 6 months, and honestly, so much has happened in that time. So if you're looking for a fast-paced, creative environment working with the most cutting-edge AI and some pretty cool people as well, you should check the link in the description to see our open positions. And if you want even more updates and some easy to follow tutorials that show you how to get the most out of Synthesia, you should subscribe to this channel on YouTube. We upload every single week, and you could also check out the video on screen right now.